everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to do a jumbo braided ponytail. I've never actually done this, so this will be my first time doing it as well, but I have seen lots of tutorials myself, so I'm fairly confident in my ability to be able to do it as well. But yeah, this is going to be a tutorial of me walking you guys through the steps on how I do the jumbo braided ponytail, so stay tuned. So first we're going to start out on some stretched hair. I'm gonna take these two ponytails down that I just threw in this morning when I went to go get my nails done. So what you're gonna do, if your hair is not already wet, you're gonna go ahead and wet it. That's what I do, just because my hair is easier to manage when it's wet. And get some Eco Styler gel, or any gel that you prefer. This one is what works best for my hair. If y'all have seen my slick back ponytail look, it's going to be very, very similar to that. Then you're going to take a ponytail holder. This is one that's all clothed all the way around. These are the kind that I really love because they don't snag your hair and you don't have to worry about them popping. And they have a ton of stretch as well. You can find these, I think I actually got these out of Walgreens, but you can find them in any hair supply store. They have them. That's it. Okay, y'all. Okay, so this is the hair that I have to do the braid with. This is Hair by Expression, 72 inches. Pre-stretched hair. And what else? Yeah, that's about it. This is Expression hair. This is what we're going to be working with. I wanted the ponytail to be very thick and dramatic, and I think this hair is going to do the trick. I have 3 packs. Oops. I have 3 packs of this hair, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 3 packs, but we're going to try. We're going to go for the 3 packs. Okay, y'all, so for the next step, we're going to be using these. Well, one of these. I have to cut it open. In the packs of hair I just showed you. So yeah, y'all, these are what you get out of the hair store. This is how it looks. They have them in there. Any hair store I've been in, I've seen these. One of them. We're gonna put this around our wrist for now. And we're gonna open up these packs of hair. Okay, y'all, so I've only opened 2 packs of hair so far. And I got 4 sets right here straight off the pack. And I'm trying to figure out if I'm actually gonna need the 3rd pack, because I don't know, this seemed kind of thick already, you know. This is a lot of hair to braid already. So I'm thinking that this might be good. I really hope it is. because I really want the thick braid that I have pictured in my mind. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these rubber bands off. So we now have the rubber bands off. Okay, so again, this next part is very similar to what I did in my sleek, natural looking ponytail video, which I will link in the description below. But you're gonna take this hair tie right here, and what you're doing is looping it under the hair like this. Okay, it comes out like this on the other side. That's all we've done, is slide the ponytail holder under the hair. Okay, and then you're gonna take the one side and pull it through this side like this, and pull it real tight. Okay. Hair flying everywhere, but now you got your hair on this ponytail holder securely, and with this end you're gonna attach it to the little bun in the back. Okay, and so if you need to see that again, just rewind it, because I don't want to take this ponytail holder off and risk tangling the hair up just to show it again. So definitely just rewind the video to see that part again. Okay. All right, so time to get it attached to that little bun in the back. Okay, so the hair is now hooked onto the ponytail. And what we're gonna do now is just kind of adjust it to where it's covering up your bun, like that. All right, so now we're just gonna kind of bring the hair forward like that. We're gonna grab, I'm gonna go ahead and section it off into 3. I'm just braiding the ends now. Braiding it all the way down to the end. I'm just gonna take this smaller hair tie and just kind of wrap it around here just to kind of secure the end. So this is the whole length of the ponytail right here. Okay, now cover it at the top here. I'm gonna be stretching this out a little bit wider at the top, kind of like this. Okay, y'all, so for blending purposes of how it looks back here, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the 3rd pack and take some hair out just to wrap around the ponytail. Okay, so we got this hair here now. I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping. Ta-da! Okay, so let me know what y'all think about this look in the comment section below. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yeah, I'll link everything that I used in the description box below. But yeah, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. But thank y'all so much for watching. Sorry y'all, I can't stop looking at this braid. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.